blessings to all of you wonderful souls out there. My name is Kiara Ducasse, and I'm here today with the All Things Health and Wealth Show, and I have a couple of exciting things to be sharing with you guys here today. So, I want to tuck straight into it, so let's get straight to it. First of all, if you haven't come to my page yet, please come to my page and hit that subscribe button and the button if you want to know when I have updates available for you guys. Thank you to my 43 subscribers so far. Really appreciate the beautiful energy and the beautiful community. I look forward to growing in abundance with you guys, tremendously so. So my finger's healing up quite nicely. It's still a little bit, I don't really want to show you guys, but it's pretty nasty. Still, but yeah, it's getting a lot better right now. So thank you very much for the body for healing and all the superfoods for making it happen. Anyways, guys, so let's to the content in today's video, because it is so important for us to just be sure what is going on out there with the Bitcoin price and dropping. You know, obviously, I always start with the Bitcoin price because with the Bitcoin price, because Bitcoin and Ethereum pretty much make up for 65-70% of the total market cap in the crypto space, that Bitcoin holds the most amount of market cap, so it is going to be the one when it moves that moves all the others. So, you know, really strong news coming in this week, and let's go and have a look at the news to start. In fact, let's start off with the index. Where are we today? We are sitting at 22. Extreme fear. Guys, you already know the rule. When we are in fear, you buy, and when we are in greed, you sell. So we have been in fear for some time, so I really hope you've been accumulating at these lows and these low points, because the levels are consolidation levels, and I guess we'll have a look at that in the crypto charts, in the crypto pricing. The market, look at it, literally we bloodshed. Just move my screen here so you can see quickly. We have NFT, and can't really see what that one is, and USDT. Those are all in the green. Everything else is pretty much in the red. And yeah, sure, I must say, quite hectic to see XRP back down at the 8 cents levels. I didn't expect that to happen, but you know, especially considering that it has been pushed out a little bit longer, and we may only see the results in XRP come towards the end of next year, which is almost a year away. And yeah, that's quite a long way away. And I guess at $2,770, Bitcoin sitting at just under 30,000. Cap is 3% today, and yeah, very, very interesting to see. For today, cheap crypto. Now, I don't know what you're thinking, but I'm thinking I'm accumulating much, much more. So, yeah, let's get carrying on with this. So the reason the Bitcoin prices have been falling a little bit is these Bitcoin price levels, such as Bitcoin's risk's worst April on record. You know, I think the biggest all that I'm seeing right now is network difficulty breaks into a new all-time high of 29.79 trillion. Let's go have a look at that. While Bitcoin miners continue to pursue the last 2 million BTC in circulation, the overall network is working to attain greater resilience against vulnerabilities. Jumping from its previous all-time high of 28.587 trillion to 29.79 trillion, we definitely, greater network difficulty demands greater computational power to successfully mine a Bitcoin block, which prevents bad actors from taking over the network and manipulating transactions, also known as double spending. Which is amazing, guys. Bitcoin it's incredible. It is just absolutely incredible because it's secure. I don't even need to go into this. We've discussed this before. It's just absolutely amazing. As evidence from blockchain.com, Bitcoin's network difficulty has seen almost a year-long uptrend since August 1st, 2021. Before that, May and July 21 was a timeline between BTC network difficulty fell 45% from 25 trillion to 13 trillion at the time, raising momentary concerns about the network's vulnerability. So here's the network's difficulty. So the network's difficulty has hit an all-time high. It's increasing and further cementing Bitcoin's resilience against 51% attacks on April 28th. So that was 3 days ago at the time of this recording. The Bitcoin network hash rate 2 a new all-time high of 258 hash rates. Hash rate eased down to mark by the end of the month with no visible negative impact on the BTC network difficulty. As you can see here, total rate has been gradually increasing over time. Of course, with 2 million Bitcoin left to mine. So here, let's have a look here. The month of April also was witness to one of the lowest average transaction fees on the Bitcoin network. The cost associated with Bitcoin for the first time in 2 years on 18th. The average transaction fell to $1, which was April 21. It's quite a big difference. Miners continue to pursue the last 2 million BTC into circulation. The network is well positioned to attain a new all-time high with respect to overall security and price. Wow. Okay, so why? Bitcoin holders are targeting 100K, and that is what is preventing the 40% price drawdown data is suggesting. So since we didn't reach price levels above 100K, so many believe this will eventually happen and might therefore hold onto their coins. Oh, hell yeah. Onto my coins. Are you holding onto your Bitcoin? I don't even think I have one full Bitcoin yet, to be very honest, but still accumulating like absolute crazy. Satoshis. And what is the importance of that? Well, the more Satoshis you stake them from your cold wallet into an exchange that allows staking to earn a little bit of commissions back. And I like to, not all, but most of my cryptocurrency that I am staking is either on Celsius and Binance. And I have to say to you that the rewards are fantastic. Some of them are much higher yield rewards than others, and some are not. So it's just where you want to do and what you want to do. And so let's make that. I see here ETH2 deposit contract now holds 10% of the circulating ETH supply. That's incredible. 10%. Wow. Guys, that is incredible. The market is just absolutely incredible right now. And for me, this is all wonderful. This the article got blocked. I wonder why. Let's see what the markets say here for us today. Smart money is accumulating Ethereum even as traders warn of a drop to 2.4K. If we drop to 2.4K, what is that? That's of $300. Another thing, like I think to you, if we're seeing banks, some of the world's biggest banks come out and say, well, they're going to see a 35,000 Ethereum by the end of this year. I mean, that's quite a cool, because that's now. Okay, what is that saying to you? That's saying huge growth. And, when we see that, we know that buying it, you're going to 10 to 15x your money. So why not? points that the trade is 2.4. Buy your Ethereum, buy your Bitcoin. Okay, and no, this is not financial advice. I'm just saying to you what I've done and what I'm still doing. I'm accumulating a heck load more because I know that right now we need to make sure that we have these cryptos in our wallet, hedging against the bullshit inflation that the economy is creating here for us. I mean, your money in the bank is literally withering away to nothing with high interest rates, high inflation, high petrol prices, high food prices, food shortages coming out. I mean, come on, guys. You need something that is tradable, divisible, and it's all of the above, which is basically gold. And Bitcoin is digital gold. So why would you not be accumulating this? And look, some people think Litecoin is the digital silver. I'm not so sure about that yet, you know. For me, it seems like that is more along the lines of an Ethereum. But who am I to say that? You know, we are all part of the community, and we are here right now to make sure that we are protecting our assets, our money, our future, and our family's money. Because at the end of the day, if you can't protect your future money, you ain't got anything on a go for yourself. So, yeah, I'm saying to you right now that big time. Look at the charts, and then I got some personal news. Really, so sorry, my nose is a little bit itchy here. So lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low, and a new lower low. So I'm gonna say to you right now that we are looking a heck load more bearish here. Okay, but here for you, because right now the data and the RSI indicator are actually pointing out to a little bit of something. Line, and let's pull the line and the chart. Boom. I'll reestablish the line right now. Just give me a moment. Okay, so let's bring this to this top here. Okay, that's okay there, and boom. Okay. We have a falling wedge pattern. Now, we all know that a falling wedge pattern, sorry guys, I know I've got the Fibonacci, I'm keeping there, the levels that I've been speaking, and I'll quickly. But this type of wedge pattern. Now, we know that falling wedge patterns are bullish patterns. So, if we got a large falling wedge forming here, okay, they haven't really opened up much, and if you look at it, price action is literally sitting right underneath the ribbon, okay? So they're sitting so snug together that what they're saying to you is that there's a breakout waiting to happen here. This down, it's like a granny down the stairs. No offense to all the grannies. But at the end of the day, like a walking downstairs, guys, eventually you're going to get to a bottom. There's a heck load of, yeah, I said 37k is the low for me. Here that there's been volume as well, which that there is going to be a breakout very, very, very soon. And I'm going to say to you that that is a huge possibility. Also, our stochastic RSIs. What happens when it sits at the bottom? Boom, it makes a move up. Okay, we all know that. Boom, makes a move up. Boom. Okay, so for me, like I said to you, we can get back above the 41k level here. At this level, guys, we can break out that wedge. The top for the wedge would be the top of the target. Really nicely here with the 46k level, which actually the Fibonacci is sitting here at the 44,700, and if we get ourselves up here within this region, it's at the top. Okay, that resistance level, we were met with resistance here, and so now we'll see a capitulation at this area again. There's no doubt about that, and we will try support at this level and then potentially back up. So I just needed to show you that because we literally have 14 hours now until and yeah, it's interesting. I just want to show you right here, right now, where we're at, because the candle closed below this previous low, and this is starting to open. Yeah, boom, maybe a spike down, and then I'm going to say to you, we're sitting on huge support. So for me, this is a massive indicator. Even though we've pulled back so far underneath for Fibonacci on the phone, we've pulled back so far down below the red level here, which is the 0.38 level. Right now, under that level, it is dangerous, but yeah, if we fall below the 36.5K level, my goodness, there's going to be some serious waterfall action happening here, because I think everybody that is in the crypto space will probably sell out whatever it is that they can, because they think it's going to continue to fall and drop through the floor. However, if we go and look at data, price action shows that between 38K and 41K has been the largest accumulation levels that we have seen in the history of Bitcoin, let alone right now. Okay, in the history of, so my belief here is that we'll make our way back up. Who knows? It may take a week, may take a day, may take a month, may take, who knows right now. At the end of the day, stochastic RSI on the day time frame here. Now the same thing here. We came towards the bottom. What happened at the bottom? We still had a little bit of a okay, so we still had a little bit of a sell-off at this level, a little bit of a sell-off. Then we were strongly sold off at this point here. Then when we started to accumulate, pump it all, right? So I gotta look out for where we're at. And right now, for me, it seems a lot more like this level here, above the dotted line there, and this would give up. Okay, and look, we're at the same levels, guys. Literally, we're at the same level as where it was at here. So at the very least, we can see a pump like this, okay, which would take us from the bottom wedge right now to the top right now, which would put us back in the Fibonacci levels, meeting major resistance. Yeah, and let's make new all-time highs. Hey, what you say? Anyway, guys, we cannot see what's going on really on the dollar chart. Obviously because it's Sunday and the dollar chart doesn't trade on the weekends. But let's have a look here. I want to show you one more coin, because there's a coin that I believe has been getting a lot of attention lately, and I'll speak to you about why. So other than that, this is the dollar. So wide line that the dollar needed to kind of get rejected by, and we broke up. We closed above that candle in highs. We closed above that candle, and we're now the previous was a basically what seems like a wick up. Support but pull at least this is going to consolidate in this area between 102. And I'm going to say to you that if we get rejected at this level, the likelihood of us collapsing down is pretty. Here's our support level at the 99.5 level, 99.5 level again. So take cognizance of that. A huge. I know you're probably all like, oh, whatever, it's a fake coin. No, not a fake coin. Oh, yeah, whatever, it doesn't have legs. Oh, no, it's not got project capabilities and blah, blah, blah. Well, I can tell you something right now. Between Elon Musk, Tesla, Twitter, Jack Dorsey, all of this, guys, this coin is going to be adopted massively. So I'm seeing and I'm hearing prices, etc. of this coin that could potentially reach $3, $5, $7. I mean, those are all huge variations. I mean, I'd like to say let's get to $1 first, because if we can get to the $1 first, that's when we need to know. So right, we did a test to the $1. That's around a 5-6x from where we are right now. So you're going to put your money in today, you put it in $1,000, you get $5,000, $6,000 back. Okay, pretty cool. Same thing applies here. We have a falling wedge pattern. We had when Elon Musk bought Twitter. Okay, this happened right here. Some things. Sorry. This is wedge. If you look here, we have on the end of the channel, we have a low, which is now higher. Break down and meet this level, then it's creating lowers and lowers and lowers. But right now, this is actually a descending, broadening wedge. So this has a huge potential. And the important level to get, probably about this level here, because that's where we met the high. So about 17 cents. Okay, now let's go have a look at this quick on the day time frame, because I know I am extending this video more than I really wanted to. And I also just have one bit of fancy share with you for life. So ribbon, not looking at the hottest. I mean, because we broke above here and we found lots of good support. We broke up and now we've come back into the. We need to hold this level of support where we currently are now, because if we can hold that support and look at the RSI looks like it's one start kind of turning back. Look at this large. I mean, red line, I think that's the next one. You tight so that you can actually just get a good pick. I mean, look at the size of that. I mean, any sense up there. Price move up to $1 up here. That would make us new all-time high. Okay, that would mean higher high. Okay, that's interesting, because that would mean lower high, low, and higher low. Okay, and technically somewhere here, higher low. So I'm not a visionary. Well, I am in my own business, not in the crypto space. But I wanted to share with you, when we get to these levels, if you come back here and you have a look at these levels, okay, we were underneath. Look at the consolidation level here. We literally were underneath, and we've been pressed underneath right now. When we're underneath and we make a sharp turn back up, look at this momentum. Huge. I mean, all the way down low and back up. That's a good right. my belief is that we'll test the 30. Our first level, as I said, is going to be around the red line with about 20 cents. So first the 20 cents and then the 30 cents. So very, very awesome fun energy. Wonderful. Share with you my beautiful and personal news. So my brother and his partner Ilza, they had their little baby, Elu Sage Ducasse, yesterday evening at 8 o'clock, just before the new moon in Taurus. Now I'm a Taurus, and so is Elu. That's very, very cool. So congratulations to my brother, congratulations to my family, and congratulations to the world. And definitely appreciate the beautiful energy. I'm so excited to meet her. I haven't met her. She's down in Cape Town. I'm up in Johannesburg at the moment. And I'm heading down there later this month. We're attending the Plant Powered Show from the 10th to the 29th of May. At the Cape Town Convention Center. So any of you crypto fans out there, you want to come ask me about crypto, come there. Although I will be dressed in my health Synergy Organics, and I will be sharing lots of information about health and well-being, and how you can potentially take your life to the next beautiful level. Okay, so with that being said, I love you guys to bits and pieces, and appreciate you to bits and pieces. And go and check yourself in the pinned in the comments below. There will be a bonus waiting for you on Bybit using my link right now, right there. Click on it. You will find $4,100 for yourself, and please only use this if you have experience in trading. And guys, because I showed you the markets are a little bit volatile right now, just take it easy. Just sign up, get your bonus ready, and just wait on the lines, because once there is a trigger that will action the buy volume, that's when you want to buy. And you can just right now if you want to try and catch falling knives, you're putting in limit orders, etc., and those are obviously going to be quite tricky for us. So at the end of the day, we just need to know that we are here to go and play and make money and take profits. Okay, lots of love, lots of light, blessings and abundance to you all. Take care and have yourselves a really happy Sunday and happy May. My birthday is in 6 days time, so Taurian energy right here, right now. Grounding. Let's do this, crypto. Love you all.